Hi there and welcome back. Today we are going to learn how we can make rounded text in Figma. Rounded text ability is available in Illustrator, but right now in Figma also we are able to make some rounded text around for example, our logo or illustration. And for this matter, we need to install one plugin here. So for this matter, open please Figma. Right now you can see that already I have made one frame here and I made one illustration in Illustrator. If you want to learn how I made this illustration, beautiful illustration, you can draw my attention in comment section. Then I'm going to make a video for teaching this illustration. So it's better to go to community and install this plugin here which called Arc. Try it out and come back again here. Now here we are going to write something here. For example, wall water, changing the color to white. I'm using inner bold 32, but it can be a little bigger. While the text is selected, we are going here and opening the Arc plugin. As you can see, it's a very simple window here is opening. If here is, you can see this dot, we can increase or decrease the size of the bending. Here is going up and it's going to make down. But here, as you can see, I think can experiment. Yes, 26. I'm going to apply it. As you can see, it made here. Changing the color again to white. As you can see here in the layer group, we can see they are grouped together, but separately we can adjust them in a way which we want. For example, it's better to come a little bit down to look better. But for moving them around, it's better to select all the group, then you can choose and move it. Another one, we are going to write here something like established 2019. As it is selected here, again I'm going to call the arc, but this time I'm coming this dot, I'm taking this dot down 26. You can manually write here -26 and apply it. As you can see, the font size was bigger because the letter become more, and the size we have to make it a little bit smaller. So I'm going to delete it. You have to experiment here. We can see that it's 38. I'm bringing it down and the space lettering maybe a little bit bigger. Yes. Again, bringing the plugin. Get it here. Here it's better to write it manually. Apply, and it's better, I think. Changing the color. You can take the text here and maybe we can use it again. And now we are going to make one ellipse here from the center, holding Shift key and Alt key. Deleting fill and adding the stroke, increasing the weight, maybe color should be modify. Of course it needs to be more adjust, but right now you got the concept of how we can make a round text around our logo or our illustration here, and it can be easily shape our work in Figma. I wish you enjoyed and you learned something from this video and you are going to use this technique and this plugin in your work. If you appreciate this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be informed about new upcoming video. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.